Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70 I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the right rear tweeter speaker. It goes the same for the left rear also. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Open your tailgate. I'm going to disconnect the speaker cover. Just pry it open with a small screwdriver, and then I'm going to take a body trim tool, slide it in there. Pop those out of the way. So you have to remove the red clip here. It's a safety clip. Just pry out on it. And then take this plastic tab you'd want to pull down, but it's an actual push it in with your finger and then pull out. And there is your little tweeter speaker in the back. You have one connector right here. I take a flathead screwdriver, just pop down on it. And then there is your right rear tweeter speaker. To replace it, reverse procedure. And it's got two tabs on the bottom. You're gonna line those right up and then push till it locks and reconnect with the black piece. Then we're going to put the speaker part on. You've got a tab in the middle, one on the top. Line that up, push it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.